All right, guys, look at this. These zone, I call them really adaptive zone. Um, yeah, they're just adaptive zones, right? Called Quantum Pro. And this is just on the NASDAQ, right? So I wish you could have seen this thing. Basically, you had some consolidation up here, and then it printed, right? Just a beautiful signal. Yeah, this is 10 contracts, but whatever. You could have one or two. And I'm telling you guys, if you don't have these zones, this is an optimized version of it. But you guys need, I'm telling you, for Bitcoin, just check out what it looks on Bitcoin. I'm telling you, I bet it looks good. I don't even know yet. Let me see. I have an earlier video. So let's see here. Let's get on how to get rid of this thing. So yeah, look at that. It's telling you to go short here. And pretty cool stuff. I'm telling you guys. For crypto, for NASDAQ, how's it doing on oil? I have no idea. Okay, kill it. Look at that. It's telling you to go short on oil. You'd be up. So I'm telling you guys, running a promotion, it's only $47 a month to have access to these and all the indicators I've built. Plus, you get the automatic GANN lines where the pro traders trade from. As you can see, it respects these GANN lines. So when you combine GANN lines with any indicator you're doing, it's so powerful. So anyway, I have a bunch of people that joined early. This is 1 year chances to join early as well. I'm opening it up to 100 spots for $47 a month. And then after that, it will move to $100, like $96 a month. But you can see it pays for itself, and then some. Time and time again. It's just I have hours and hours of videos of these zones just destroying the market. On again, NQ, ES, Bitcoin, oil, gold, guys. I'd love to have you guys. And we have an awesome Discord channel where we share ideas. I have another person in our little group. He uses the trade Dominator with other confluences and other confirmations, and he's killing it. He's building his. He's almost. I think he's almost funded. Look at this freaking NASDAQ. This is just unbelievable. I gotta take a picture of this. I'm on this call here. This is just. You can see earlier it was at 6. Now it's at 14. So, you can see here we got an awesome Discord where we're sharing ideas. It's just actually no, the Discord's over here. Just keeps going. So I'm telling you guys, this is a fun group we have. I love to have you aboard. Again, I have 6 or 7, but the most powerful ones are these zones with the GANs, and we do live calls almost every day. My audio was not working very well earlier because I was going to do some, I was scalping Bitcoin like crazy, and even NASDAQ. So it's just really cool. You get a signal here, and then if this box ever turns bullish, you just get out. You just scalped out. So you just follow this box. That's all you're gonna do. Kind of like this. You see how this CL trade, as this trade goes down, eventually, let's move this down a little bit. I'll show you what I mean. So if we get to like a 1 second chart, and you don't want to always turn on 1 second, but it's showing you here, and CL's moving a little slower, but you can see how it's adapting. And so in this case, you get out. So you were already in, this turned bullish, but you're on 1 second chart. So maybe you go to a 10 second chart. Hey, So look how cool that is. Hey, you see how this? Look at that. I mean, it is beautiful. This is, I'm telling you guys, $47 a month. I think it's a steal, honestly, for this. So you look at this. See, it's bullish, scalped out. Oh, there you go. Nice. You just scalped out 13K. And anyway, when you combine it with, long term, so this is on a 1 minute. If you have like order blocks and other things that you're doing to give you confluence, but these zones are just amazing. So you can see it's going to print another cell here. And again, you can just see it might not work because we're kind of chasing at the end of this move here, but it just shows you. Yeah, we're on 10 contracts, so that's a lot, right? For 10 minis, but we just made 13K. So I mean, you do it at the right level, and then obviously we're down here where it could bounce, but just to kind of show you, even if you got in a little late, you're still in the right direction of the big move, right? And so yeah, you took a little bit of heat there, but again, this is on a 5-second chart. If you move it over to a 30-second chart, see, look at, you're still in it. You wouldn't actually be chasing it per se. It's like your stop would be here, right? Your stop would be right here as price moves down. Or if it moves up, then you just locked in when you got in here, and you're going to get out here. Otherwise, you're just going to stay in this thing, and it's just freaking awesome. So, yeah, obviously on a 5-second, you might not necessarily do that like I just did, but it shows you how powerful these adaptive zones are. I love it. I mean, seriously, it's so fun to trade on crypto. Yeah, as long as you stay away from news events and even the open where you get really bad kind of zigzag, just jolting moves. You find the good trend part of the days, and it's amazing, especially overnight. The London is awesome, and like even now, like it's just killing it right now. So I'm grateful for people that have been testing it out, and eventually I will have buy and sells, but you really don't need them because the dashboard and the boxes tell you what to do, and it even like see how it's adapting. I mean, it's sorry, gotta get right here. It's adapting to what's happening right now. So you can see, even though I got in late, I was chasing a little bit, took a little bit of heat. 10 contracts on mini, that's a good chunk. But you look at this, you could just, in theory, scalp out $500, $800, 1,000. I'm telling you guys, I mean, I've been doing this all week, and then look at this. Look at this CL trade. This CL trade is destroying. It destroys CL. It destroys crypto. So for $47 a month, that's not very much when you can day in, day out. And yeah, that's for the first 100. After the first 100, it's going to be $96 a month. I mean, still cheaper than a lot. I mean, again, the value you're getting, like 8 or 9 indicators, plus the GANN level, plus this quantum zone thing that I have another programmer. We are going to shine it up even and make it even better and better. And it's going to be very precise. We're going to have back testing component to it. And dude, I'm just telling you guys, if you want to build, first of all, pass funded accounts, I have 4 with Tradify. I just live with them. I have 1 live that I passed with, got the 3,000 with Perdia, and I have Blue Sky. So these guys, I'm telling you guys, I've never had so much fun trading, and then with the community we have. So yeah, I'm looking to get the first 100, on board with, look at this. Look at these boxes. It's telling you what to do. Take away the emotion of the market. Again, you don't need 10 minis, right? 1 mini or 10 micros, and you just slate it. And then as your account builds, yeah, you'll be doing 10 lots one day and having 10K, 20K days. But, do it the right way. You build it slow with micros, just get those $500 days, $500 days, $250 days. Just build it up. And you can see right here with CL bouncing off near this GANN line, but look at that profit that you made. Very low risk trade. And you can see here, like it's just kind of bouncing here. Look at that. 500, you can scalp out $200, $300, $400, right? It's so powerful. So yeah, I'd love to have your guys' thoughts on my indicators. I'm just, man, I want people to join. We're not looking for thousands and thousands of people. You know what I mean? We want people that really want to grow their accounts and just love trading, have passion about trading. Our whole community is amazing, has awesome people. So I'll put the link for you to join, but I hope you really watch my videos. I mean, this morning I was killing Bitcoin after trade after trade, over and over. NASDAQ over and over, just like this, just launching these. I mean, just low risk trades, and this one's even chasing. Right, this is not an A+ trade by any means, but I'm in this kind of, in essence, if you're in this trade up here, how these adaptive zones are keeping you in this trade as long as possible. Of course, it's eventually going to bounce, but it's keeping you in this nice. You're not fighting the trend, right? And I mean, look at that. You can scalp out 500, 700. I mean, look at this thing. You know what I mean? It's so fun to trade. That's what I think. Honestly, what I love about it the most is that it's fun to trade because it just gives you a roadmap, especially when you combine it with GANN. And look at this CL trade. So that's on 10 seconds chart. If you wanted to be in a little longer, so then your stop will be, up here, and you're still in the short. So, depending on your, what you want to do, you can scalp it on a shorter time frame. And then look at this thing. So let's go down to, this is 30-second chart. Let's go down to a 10-second chart. So look at that zone. So if you really want to be a little more tighter on your stops, look how that is keeping you right in it. Look at that. See, $2,000, 2,400. Move this to break even, or you just, what? I just made, 18. Look at this going, 2,000. Boom. I just made over 3K just on. I mean, it's gonna even do more. I'm telling you guys, please. I mean, if you love trading like I do, I'd love to have you aboard. And I'll have all of my links. You can email me at chatwinningtrades@gmail.com. And anyway, we're rolling out. I've rolled out so many awesome indicators, but this Quantum Zone Pro, it says BTC or BTC USD, but I actually optimize it for NQ, ES, CL, Gold. It'll be optimized for all those. But as you can see, even though it's optimized for BTC USD, it's still killing it on NASDAQ because of just the logic that's built into these zones. And anyway, I will be on over the weekend, but take care. Hope you guys join.